Hello everyone. I just wanted to give you some instructions on what you'll be doing in class today. So if you could please, after you watch this video, you're going to open up iTunes U and you're going to find a whole bunch of new apps there. So once you have it open, if you look at materials and then if you choose apps, you'll see you've got all these new apps loaded here for electricity. The one that I want you to load right now is this one that says building, well it actually says building serial circuits, but it's series circuits. You're going to download that app. If you happen to have more time today, then you can also do the one below it. But for now, if you could just do that top one, you're going to download that app, but don't do it just right this second. Or if you want to, I suppose you could pause the video and let it download in the background. And then I'm going to give you some instructions for what you're going to do once that app is open and how to use it and which little activities you'll need to do. Things that you'll need today is you will definitely need a pair of headphones. That app does talk to you, so hopefully you've got headphones with. I know most of you have them on most of the time. There is a pair up in the drawer by the chargers if you did need to borrow some. There actually might be one or two sets up there, so you can ask the sub for that. Once you have loaded the app and you've got it open, you'll see it opens to this page. Just go ahead and click play. And then once you're on the inside, you'll see that the app starts talking to you. There's an introduction here that you can pause if you're not quite ready. Make sure you put your headphones in, and it's going to give you an idea of what is happening within that app. So go ahead and listen to what they have to say. Since I'm not there to show it to you, it's just a quick little 20-second introduction. Let it play. Once you've past that introduction, it's going to let you start building circuits. So you'll get instructions in the upper left-hand corner. You will also get instructions in the lower right-hand corner. All of your supplies are here, and you can actually take them and drag them into the circuit. You just click and drag, and if they're in the circuit and you don't want it, if you just touch it, it will leave the circuit. Once you are done, if you're listening, it will instruct you what to do next. When the circuit is built, you'll see on the bottom that it gives you a thing down here, and you can click that button that says Done. And once you do that, it's going to quiz you, and it's going to ask you some questions. You'll see it'll pop right up in the middle of the screen. So there's a little bit of a quiz there. You go ahead and answer it, and then move forward. Once it's answered, it's going to instruct you to do some more things. So you'll see on the top there it tells you what to do, and then on the bottom it tells you what to do as well. When you are after you've completed listening to this whole, the whole section, it's going to keep bringing you through different scenarios using switches, different light bulbs and batteries. It's going to continue to draw what the circuit looks like in the background using the components shown on the side here. Once you've gone all the way through it, there's a little bit of a quiz. It's down here with the little green check mark. You're going to choose that at the end. You're going to work your way all the way through the quiz, and then email me a screenshot of that quiz to show me how you did, the page at the end when you've completed, so that I can see that you did that. If you make your way all the way through this app and it's a shortened class period today, so I doubt you'll make your way through it, but if you do, then you can go ahead and move forward and download the next app, which is the parallel circuit, just like this one, except it's wired in parallel instead of in series. And then you can just move forward the same way, listening to the instructions, following through the activities, and then taking the little quiz at the bottom. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.